Hey everybody, this is Dustin. Welcome back to What's in the Shop. So as you can see, Zach's in the process of doing a flat toe setup on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a 2022, it's an EV model. And so over here, you can see he's getting ready to install the Roadmaster base plate. He's already started the wiring system for it, and he's getting ready to lift it up in the air to continue to run the wiring to the front of the coach to get everything all tied in. I believe this also is going to have a charge line to it and possibly some other items because of the type of vehicle it is. And so if you're in the need of having a flat tow system installed to be able to tow your vehicle behind your motorhome, please give us a call. You can also visit Roadmaster's website and look up your year, make, and model vehicle to make sure that it is flat towable. You can also contact us here at the shop at area code 209-263-7040 and ask for Ashley. She'll get you all the information as well. And we can go over options and pricing. So typically when we do these systems, you know, it's kind of like a Pepsi, Coke, Dr. Pepper. The top three that we install is in priority is usually we do a Roadmaster. We do a lot of Roadmaster stuff. All the products are usually lifetime guaranteed. Then our second round up is Demco. So we do a lot of Demco tow systems. And then our third one would be actually Blue Ox. So there are other brands out there. There are some that are cheaper. Make sure that if you're going to a shop that you're checking out all the options, and that if you are towing, make sure that you're actually, getting the vehicle set up correctly. A lot of times we'll have consumers come in and say, oh, I don't want to add a braking system. I'll just use the pumpkin, or I've already got one, and then we find out that they don't. So make sure that, if you are getting this system installed, a couple other things to keep in mind is all the different laws required to the different states, and then by adding these systems to these vehicles, they're quite expensive, but it also re-increases the value of the unit itself, of your vehicle. Another quick tip I would recommend is that you contact your insurance companies and see if you can send them a copy of any paperwork, as far as like whether it's us installed it or somebody else installed it, to add that value toward the vehicle. In the event that it gets stolen, it gets in a wreck, by not being towed, or it does get hit while it is towed, then they can help compensate you for all that money that you've invested in the vehicle to make it flat tow in the first place. All right, well, hopefully this information helped. I didn't get into particulars as far as like what parts, but again, we're doing a Roadmaster tow bracket system. We're doing an Air Force One braking system that's through Demco. And then I believe they're doing a Nighthawk, I believe. And all the rest of the components are all Roadmaster as well. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more, and thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin and Zach, your RV Specialist.